So this is an example of a subtraction problem of mixed numbers when we're going to have to borrow to solve the problem. My first problem is that my denominators don't match. So I have to fix one of these. Luckily for me, I can easily make that a 12 by multiplying both of these numbers times 6. So if I do 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 1, 6. So that would be 9 and 6 twelfths. Okay, whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Always, always, always. Now, I'm just going to rewrite this 6 and 10 twelfths here. So I have my problem rewritten. I'll cross that out so it doesn't distract me. Now, I have to fix that number. This number needs to be bigger than that number for me to be able to subtract. So this is where I have to borrow. I'm going to borrow 1 from the 9, which makes it an 8, and add those two numbers together, which makes it 18 twelfths. That is the same amount. These two are the same amount. I just had to rename the number so I can work with it. Now over here, I'm going to write my 6 and 10 twelfths, and now I can subtract them. I can take 18 minus 10 is 8, and then the denominator stays the same as I mentioned earlier, and then 8 take away 6 is 2. So for the purposes of this lesson, that would be the correct answer, but that is also reducible. That means I have to get the largest number that goes into both of these, which in this case would be 4. If I do it by 2, I'm just going to have to keep working. So if I divide them both by 4, I'm going to have this is going to stay the same. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then that would be the final answer.